Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Exhcnage. So let's take a look into the charts. And first off, boomer markets. Schiffmeister, Peter Schiff, is doing very well over here. Gold is going up. Everybody by now knows the thing about inflation, I guess. It's all over the news. Housing prices are up big time. Second-hand cars are going up big time. Lumber is going up big time. Everything is going up big time. So people are starting to get aware of inflation and what's going on. So I think that's why we see gold going up. Nasdaq very strong over here, sideways. S&P 500 consolidating. We're seeing a little bit of a head and shoulders over here. Right shoulder, head, left shoulder. The Dixie is trying to break up a little bit over here. Low, low, lower low. And for now, we just not want to see a higher high. And that is basically 90.1-ish right now. They're just below that. Close look over here. This is what we're seeing on the daily. We just want to have a lower low compared to this one. Zooming in like I just did, we want to stay below this level for the Dixie. We just not want to see that higher high compared to this one. We want to stay below this one. Other than that, we want to see continuation to the downside. We're seeing a little bit, the moves get a little bit slower to the downside. But now, for now, we just want to see a lower high. Bitcoin on the 5-minute time frame. Bit2, let's go to the hourly. What we are seeing right now is a trend line break. And this trend line, to be precise. That's not something we like. However, we have horizontally quite some support over here. VPVR is showing it as well. Right now, a little bit in the gap. And here, just below us, is quite some support from the VPVR. These highs over here, these lows over here, tip on it over here, this area. We can see there's a lot of stuff going on. So we can just draw some horizontals we want to hold. And right now we are at one. It's just like we want to have higher lows. And that this one I would say should hold. After that, this one. And this one. That's basically pretty simple, you can take them off different places as well. I would say this is an important spot as well, these highs. And that is about it. As long as we set a higher low compared to, I would say, these two, it is all fine. So I would say 36.5 should hold, then we're good. Probably seeing a bounce over here would be nice. But in this area, since over here we got a lot of new longs, flush them out real quick and go back up. That is what I see happening. Looking very good. Ethereum is looking a lot better, to be honest. And still is. Zooming out on a 1 hour, we had this perfect big top on Ethereum. And right now we had the lows, last weekend was a lot of drama for Ethereum. For me as well, I didn't expect it to go that low. I'm going to be honest with you guys. This for me is a big support level over here. These highs over here, or these bearish retests. And over here, the bullish retests on it. And right now we're seeing the exact same thing over here. These are the levels we wanted to hold. Higher and over here, higher and over there. Could be seen as a little bit of a head and shoulders over there, it's the past. But anyway, this level, we can see it broke this one. I will zoom in a little bit. And we did a bullish retest on it, went up, lost some speed, it's just correlating with Bitcoin. And right now, we're just looking for support. Would be good if we bounce over here. Otherwise, it is likely to go over here. And that means 2,500. If it cracks 2,500, which I do not expect, it's this level, very clear. These highs over here and these lows over there. And that is about it. Resistance right now, very clear, this area, these stops over here. And then this stop, it's basically 2,900. And if 2,900 gives way, it is, I would say, straight up 3,200. This level can be skipped straight to, let's say it like that. I would say that level. We can see it over here, a lot of action on it as well. So I would predict something like that, stop out those last stops and go up like this. That is what I'm expecting for Ethereum USD. Ethereum BTC, complete chat over here. Right now on this support over here from this level, next support is that one. These highs over here, I would say. VPVR gives a lot of support here as well, as you can see. But looking very good. We broke 0.07, which is really good. And right now this could be seen as a bull flag with a little bit of a shakeout on it on the hourly. Looking very good. Looking to break this trend line, I would say. We're on the hourly, but it's looking very good. If we do break that one, next up, resistance is over here. You can see a lot of taps on this level and a break of it over here, then a crash or a dump, and then a bearish retest on that exact same level, 0.074. If you break this trend line, make a higher high over here from this level. It's basically a vacuum to this level, I would say, these lows. In the VPVR showing that, volume per price range. So yeah, I'm betting on maybe a retest of this one, but I don't think so. I think this was the low already. It's going over here. I do not trade personally the Ethereum BTC ratio, but I look at it a lot when I trade Ethereum USD, which I do. Let's take a look at not this one, this one. Coin analyze. The crash, or I don't know if it's called a crash, whatever you want to call it. We saw what it did to, right now I see markets dumping a little bit on one of my other screens. Let me take a look. Oh, we're still above 38. I mean, over here, we can see it over here. Last week, exactly a week ago, we dumped, I don't know, we came from over here 1 billion open interest on Bybit, and we went to sub 5. From 1 billion in a week to 300 million. That is a lot. That is a really big dump in open interest. Bitcoin is going down a little bit. They broke that support I was talking about earlier. And likely for me is this one. VPVR, like I said, a lot of support. If it gives in, we want to stay above, let's say, 35k. That's where we want to stay above. If you go below 35k, it is not looking that good. Just being clear. AAVE is looking good. Higher lows. This one is nice, and they stayed above it, but did not make a higher high. AAVE should break this high. Could be seen as a double top. Third time they go here, it will break. But I mean, for now, they should bounce over here and find support. I would say this level, these highs, this level, topping it over here, a low in it over here, and a higher low in it over here. And this could be seen as an inverse head and shoulders. Head, left shoulder, right shoulder. Those are the things I always spot. I wanted to stay above 350. AAVE drew this yesterday, and this blue line as well. So, MATIC. This is support right now. 1.90, 1.88. Yeah, should go over here for a retest of support. And go over here and make that higher high. Right now, horizontally, this will be support. Resistance. So between these two lines, buy and support, sell at resistance. XRP on the daily. Let's go to the hourly. Not that bad. Right now, same as, it's just correlating, We're just looking for higher lows. Higher one than this one. And if we do break this one, it is bad. For now, all we want is a higher low than this one. Where I would see support is this level. Highs on it over here, highs on it over there, highs on it over here, like this little one. So that is where I see support. That is around 95 cents, which is kind of obvious, you know. Break $1, go above it, let everybody long on margin, stop everybody out below the dollar, because that is what they see as a logical support. That is just some, I don't know, trading experience. CRV, it's all the altcoins are basically the same. CRV is doing good over here. CRV broke this trend line from here, you know, you can see it pretty well. I would say draw it like this. Like that. Right now, support can be seen on this level. And that is it. Right now, what you want is a higher high. So getting back above 180 is good. Support is at 160 basically. Do not get below 160, you get out of your position. And if they are over here, you know, you buy support, you sell resistance. But I would buy support over here and target, I would say target this level. That is 220, I would say. You always want to front run that stuff a little bit. Over here, Zilliqa is looking very good. Inverse head and shoulders can be seen over here. Left shoulder, right shoulder, head. Support for Zilliqa is this level over here. That is 11 cents. Resistance, you know, is the previous high over here at 13. Buy over here, sell over there, or target higher. And use stops, guys. Do not use too much leverage. Make sure to sign up under the sign up link in my video description. Solana over here did a retest over here. Is coming back to test support. It's all basically the same. Buy over at, I would say, $32. Target 37. And I think, you know, the next time they will go over here, they will break it. Higher low, higher low. Higher low is what we're looking for now. Doge, higher low, higher low. Doge is looking good. Doge, you know, you want it to break 37. And then, wow, that's down a lot. And then you're looking to break for this trend line. For now, you do not want lower lows. If it breaks 24 or bit of a high time frame, you know, let's say you wanted to stay above 32. Might dump a little bit lower, but this is an important level. I would say something like this. For Doge, you know, very important to stay above this level. If it doesn't, it's bad. Just so you guys know, you do need a tweet from Elon Musk, you know, to save you out of this low over here. And that is about it. If you want to follow me on Twitter, that would be very nice. Edge Bitcoin. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, put the notifications on. And I also have a Discord group. Send me a message, let me know in the comments. You can also send me an email, in the video description or in the my YouTube account description. There's my contact details. You can send me an email. And happy trading, guys. For now, it is looking for support. One of these levels, we just talked about it. Fundings and premiums still looking good. Let me take a quick look at fundings. I mean, totally flat, still good as long as they don't go up too much in the positive numbers. So, see you guys again tomorrow. Happy trading, and I'd like to hear what you guys think.